The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Franklin County, Ohio, until 6:30 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Upper Arlington, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Upper Arlington, Northeast Hilliard, West Jefferson, the Ohio State University, and Western Madison County, Heights, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Lincoln Village, and New Rome. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 87 and 102. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 105 and 110. The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County and east central Kentucky, northwestern Bath County and east central Kentucky, Fleming County and east central Kentucky, northwestern Rowan County and east central Kentucky until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Tillsboro to Hope, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Flemingsburg, Sharpsburg, Reynoldsville, Wyoming, Mount Carmel, Tilton, Odessa, Hilda, Pebble, Ringo's Mills, Sharkey and Muses Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Are we changing God's mind, or is he changing ours?